Hey everyone, today I'm sitting on the Hyphen Flippable Mattress. This is a copper infused foam mattress with coils. This mattress is made by Diamond Mattress. Now Diamond Mattress is a manufacturer that's been around quite a while. They're just up the road in Los Angeles. And they make these mattresses to order. That means it's not sitting around in a warehouse in a box collecting dust. When you place your order, they go ahead and make it fresh. And of course, what makes this mattress unique is that you get two firmnesses. It is a flippable mattress, and they clearly labeled which is soft and which is firm. So right now I am on the soft side of the mattress. As you can see, I'm sinking in quite a bit. It's a good healthy sink with some good bounce as well. I mean, I'm getting that spring bounce. The spring system is actually in the middle of the mattress, and then there's foam on each side. So each side of foam, though, is infused with copper. Now, copper is naturally antimicrobial. That's why they used to use it on door handles. And so it just helps keep your mattress fresh. It also has some cooling properties to help keep you cool. Both sides are sleep very cool. They have this nice stretch knit cover with a little bit of padding. Underneath that, of course, you get the foam. The foam itself is actually more breathable, and it reacts faster than traditional memory foam. According to Diamond, it reacts 25 times faster than traditional foam. So what I want to do is go ahead and flip this over so you can see what the firm side will be like. Pretty easy to do. And so really what they're doing, they're not obviously changing the coil system, they're just using a firmer layer of foam on top. Now you can tell I'm getting a little bit of sink, but it's very apparent that the foam layer is substantially firmer. So as I lay out across the mattress, it's going to give me a lot more support. Now, this mattress retails just shy of about $1,500 in a queen size. Comes with a 100-night trial, so free shipping, free returns if you don't like it, and a 20-year warranty. So that is quite a bit longer than your standard 10 to 15-year warranty as well. Again, manufacturer direct, so they're able to give really aggressive pricing. I do like flippable mattresses, not only for people that may not be sure what firmness they prefer, but also they just make a great guest mattress. So if you have a guest room, you have guests over, and you can really give them a choice. Do you prefer firm? Do you prefer soft? No problem, we'll just flip this over for you. So it's very accommodating. But all in all, this is just a very well-made, comfortable mattress that I think you should definitely consider in your list. One you should try if you just, again, aren't sure what firmness you prefer, or maybe your firmness has changed depending on what you're doing on a particular day. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com to get the full Hyphen review and the latest discounts.